guys, welcome back to my channel. Chara here with another Fashion Nova haul today. I did more like dressy looks today from Fashion Nova. I might be attending a concert coming up, maybe Beyonce if the tickets work out. So I was kind of looking for something for that. So yeah, today I have a big bag today that I need to unbox. I'm really excited because it's been a little while. You know, it takes like a week and a half for Fashion Nova orders to come in, so I'm excited to see it, you know. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the bag. Now, like I said, these are a little more dressier looks because I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna wear if I get to attend the concert. Yeah, and I wanted a couple outfits to take pictures in and things like that, you know. He is gonna help me out here today. This is Neo. Yeah, he think he gonna help. Watch out before you get hurt now. Okay. Yeah, this mommy's clothes. Okay, the first thing I have is a skirt. Oh, so cute. It's like a faux leather skirt and it's got the cargo pockets. Okay, when they say mini skirt, they mean mini skirt, okay? Because this looks really short. This is a size large. And I really cannot wait to try this on. I love the feel of it. The texture is really nice. Okay, so that is the first thing. I'm excited about that one. All right, next. These are cargo trousers. Oh, these are gray. Okay, they're kind of giving dressy, but at the same time a cargo style. So I think I like these. These are cute. Wide leg, those are in right now, the wide legs. Okay, it has like two cargo side pockets, so almost like a dressy cargo look. So like I said, I'm trying to find something to wear to a concert, so this is definitely one of the options. I'm hoping that these fit and they look cute on. I'm definitely gonna try these on and pray for the best. Okay, yes. Okay, so I have here the Mia mesh corset top. And I do remember ordering this. This is, okay, upside down. But this is not the color that I envisioned. On the model, it looked a little lighter, I thought. But I guess in the camera, it does have that light look. But it just looks a little more peachier in person. But this is more mesh than I imagined, that's for sure. So the back is mesh. And then the front is a little more solid material. But it has a mesh over the material. It's kind of neat, and it's giving like a real like soft vibe. The sleeves are all mesh. I even might wear it with that cargo skirt. I think that will be cute together. So I definitely try this on, see how it looks. Really cute and soft. So I'm just hoping that on it looks just as nice. All right, now I have the Batman and Catwoman graphic tee. Okay, so this is Batman and Catwoman graphic tee. I thought that was so cute. I like the pink in there, and that's what really attracted me to this tee, the pink. So I thought this was really cute. I got this one in a medium. Yeah, I did a medium in this because I wanted more of a fitted look. So definitely I'm hoping that I like the fit of this one. But yeah, that's cute. Yeah, Catwoman and Batman. Okay, when you're feeling a little like Catwoman, you can wear that. Okay, so next I have jeans. These are called the Best Stretch Ripped High Rise Bootcut Jeans, and these are in a size 13. Now I've been losing some weight, so I'm hoping that I can still fit a 13. I didn't want to do 11 and then not fit, but these are 13s. I'm hoping to get down to 11 soon enough. This is like a boot cut, and I like the rips on them. I thought about wearing them with a corset or something like this. I think that would be cute, but we'll figure that out. And I'm hoping that 13 still fit me because I have been trying to lose a little weight. Okay, I need to. Okay, so next, I was really excited about this top. This is a corset. Oh, no, not a corset, a bodysuit. Erica Jane lace bodysuit. And it looks really soft, feminine. I like the color. Look at that, the pretty color and lace. Really nice look. Yeah, so I'm hoping that this fit. This is a size large, and the color is taupe. But yeah, so pretty, so feminine. Okay, so I'm definitely gonna hope to wear this somewhere. Not sure if it's to the concert, but definitely somewhere. I love that look, and I'm hoping that that fits well. Okay, this is another item that I was excited about. This is called the Seeing Double Color Block Trousers. And look at these, y'all. Look at these. They look so cute. Okay, that's the back. And then this is the front. I'm really hoping that these work out, because this really is one of the main things I was hoping to wear to the concert. I thought these would be cute. These are in a size large. Okay, so I'm hoping that back pockets look cute on too. Yeah, so I'm definitely gonna try these on. I'm praying that these work out, because this is really one of the items that I saw me wearing at the concert, for real. Okay, so wish me luck on those. I got more items than I remember. So this is a skirt. This is cute. On the model, it didn't look so green, but now in person I could tell that this is really green. I almost wanted to look for a shirt to match it, but I was scared that I get it here and I wouldn't match the greens up. So I'm glad I got it in person before I got a shirt to go with it. But this is the Untamed Zebra Sequin mini skirt. Really cute. Now that might be something to wear, honestly, to the concert. But I would definitely have to find a top. So I'm not sure if I would do green or would I do a black top or even white with this. I'll have to figure that out. But really a cute skirt, and it's very dressy. Very dressy. It looks like it's going to be definitely a mini. Okay, really mini skirt. Okay, so I'm going to try that on, see how that looks. And like I said, these are like dressy looks. You know, basically something you could wear to a concert or out. Even like a little like after the concert party or such. Okay, so I have, oh, this is cute, but we'll have to see once I get it out. But this looks like it's a corset, and I do remember ordering this. They had this in 2 different colors, but I had got so much black that I didn't want to keep on doing so much black, so I went ahead and got it in this like denim kind of look. It's really cute though, I must say. I like it. I do like it. I'm glad I did get this one. The black one had a pattern on it as well, and it looked really cute, and it's probably cute as well in person, but I just had got a few black items already, so I didn't want to just keep doing so much black. But this is cute. Yeah, so I'm gonna try that on. Definitely cute. All right, so I got another pair of jeans. These are super high-waisted denim skinnies, and I honestly have a pair of these already in like a gray color. So these are like a dark blue. I really don't like the pockets that much on these. It's just not my style. I like more of a square pocket. You know, I'm just dealing with them because the gray ones are kind of cute, and these are kind of dark, so you probably won't see the pockets as much, but it does make your butt go pow, okay? For real, like that style of pockets, I feel like they make your butt stand out a lot, for real. So I like the gray ones, and I said, why not get the dark blue ones? Something to throw on, like maybe go out somewhere with a cute top, you know. Can't go wrong with a pair of skinnies, you know. I like right now the time in fashion, because it seems like you could wear like anything you want. You could wear a mini skirt, you could wear a long skirt, you could wear cargo style pants, you could wear skinny jeans or skinny pants, you could wear wide leg pants. You could just wear anything. To me, it feels like that. And then, you know, things come back, and I think people are realizing that things always come back. So it's almost like free right now in fashion. Like whatever goes, whatever you want to do, because we're realizing that things are always gonna come back around. So why not just do whatever you want to do? And that's why I feel like the fashion right now is like that, and I like that. Now this looks like a sweater. I don't know why I would get a sweater. It's looking thick. I didn't realize it was going to be so thick. Okay, we are right in the heart of the summer, so I really did not mean to do this. But this is, okay, this is the Rider mini dress. Okay, I didn't know it was going to be so sweatery. Oh, okay, so this is kind of like emulating the diesel look. They had the nerve to put the F for Fashion Nova, y'all. They had their nerve. I don't know. I might wear it though, but I think it's funny because it looks a lot like the diesel dresses. And I don't know if you guys watched my diesel unboxing, but I did get a diesel top and bag, and it looks very similar to this. You got to look at that diesel video, but the diesel is in right now, and this is giving that look, but they put an F for Fashion Nova. Okay, so I might wear this in the fall. I probably won't return this because, I mean, why return it? It is cute. And I could wear it with like some boots in the fall, even though it is kind of giving that diesel look. But I think I have seen some other brands that have like outfits that are close to the diesel look, and they have like their letter on them as well. So I guess they're doing it. Ooh, a mesh top. I don't remember this one. Looks like it's black. Okay, this is called the Anita Asymmetrical Mesh Top. Oh, I do remember this. Yes. Yo, this is cute. I do remember this now. It has a lot of strings hanging. I don't know if that's on purpose. Oh, maybe it's supposed to have the strings. Okay, it has little strings hanging. Can't see them really. Probably a little bit right there. You see the strings hanging? But that's on purpose, I'm assuming, because it has a lot. This is really cute, y'all. It's see-through, and I'm definitely gonna wear like a black bra underneath this. It's very cropped, and then it even goes on the angle. The crop is on the angle, if you can see that. I think this is cute. I remember seeing this on the model, and I thought it was real cute. I have an idea. I think I'm gonna wear this with black faux leather cargo pants. So that was my idea for buying this with a black bra underneath, and yeah, that is cute. I like that. I got this in a size large, and I'm glad I did, because it looks like it runs small. I think that'd be perfect though, that size I got. So I got that in a large. Yeah, it's really cute. I like that look. I do. Okay, so I got a couple corsets. I really did. Okay, so this is really pretty. I love the color. I have a corset. Well, I don't think my corset is this crop, but I have one that's more of a lime green, and I think that's more like summertime fun, but this one is a little more dressier and nicer event kind of color. So I like this. It's kind of an olive. This color, I love this color. No, for real, I love this color. I'm like living for the color. Living, okay? I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. This is really pretty. I love green anyway. I love greens. But this is gorgeous. The other one I have is a little not so dressy. It's more like a fun, you know, just going out to a nice fun event. But this is just giving that dressier, nicer event look to me. Okay, so yes, this is cute. This is a size large. And this is the Jade Faux Leather Bustier. Okay, so yeah, definitely gonna try that on, and hopefully that works out. Okay, these are the Only Dreaming low stretch wide leg jeans. Okay, so these are definitely wide leg. Now I got these in 11, y'all. I don't understand what I was thinking, but I'm hoping that I could do an 11. So maybe I can do an 11. So we'll just have to see. But these, I like that these are cute. And I had realized after I had submitted the order, I realized I had got these in 11. And I'm like, how did I do that? I don't even know how I did it, but you know, because I am losing weight. So some of the pants I was like, maybe I should do 11. And then I said, I want to be on the safe side. So I did 13. And then these I forgot to put to 13. That's really what happened. But these are cute. I definitely hope I can do the 11 in these. But then I'm gonna be upset because I got 13 in the other ones, but we'll figure that out later because I can always return. I got a little time to return. That's why I'm gonna try them on today. Everything, make sure I got the right sizes, because you do have time to return things with Fashion Nova. The only thing is you have to do an exchange, and you can't get your money back, but you definitely can get a gift card and get something else, you know, in exchange. All right, so yeah, I was doing a lot. Sometimes I don't be remembering that I ordered so much. Okay, I was trying to get my dressy looks on, for real, for real. Okay, now this, okay, I did another olive green look. This is a jumpsuit. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it says Zio Mara, maybe, I think that's how you say it. Okay, so this is olive. See the top part, this is the back. It looks like it's a little sheer in the butt area. Okay, so you're gonna see a little something back there. Look like it's a bodysuit in there, a little thong look. Okay, yes, and then it has like a wide leg. Really pretty color. I like the olive. This is an option for the concert, so I guess if I like it on, it's definitely an option for the concert. So I have to see for sure, see how it looks on. This is in a size large as well. Can't wait to try these on. Can't wait to try this one on. All right, so I'll see how it looks. Okay, she is giving you lace here. Oh, so pretty. I don't know why, but this reminds me of a butterfly. Like that's a butterfly look. This is cute. So cute. I like the lace. I like the different design at the bottom. Yeah, so I like this. Really cute. Black. You never can go wrong with black, that's for sure. Okay, so I definitely could be an option for the concert as well. So I'm gonna try that one on. Really soft and delicate, but also a little edgy with the black, you know? Okay, it's official, y'all. I went corset crazy. It's official. One more corset, y'all. One more corset, and this is in black. Just a black corset. Really soft material. I wasn't expecting that soft material like that, but this is nice. Now I did, what caught me about this corset was the straps at the top. I like how you can wear it like that. So it has like double straps on each side, and it looked really cute on the model. She might have even had this on with that purple skirt. I can't remember, but yeah, that's what really caught my eye. Really cute. I like this black material is nice, but yeah, I like this little look. Definitely can't wait to try this on. This is definitely an option as well to wear to the concert. Can't go wrong with the corset, okay, for an event like that. But yeah, so I'm gonna try this on, see how it looks. All right, y'all, I want to thank you guys for watching my Fashion Nova dressier looks, concert ready fashion haul. So I had a great time trying all the looks on. I love a lot of the items that I got. Make sure you guys like the video if you like the video, of course. Follow me on Instagram. I'm at Chara Chanel _. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll probably do a little vlog for the concert if it works out, y'all, if it works out. And I want to thank you guys again for watching. I appreciate all the people that comment below and who watch my videos when they come out. So appreciative. Thank you. And you guys, I'll see you in the next one. All right, bye.